Good morning, children. So let's start with the next chapter in GK. That is chapter number 31, Dictionary of this botanist. Okay, so who is a botanist? Botanist is a person who studies about plants and trees. Okay, now the definitions of some botanical terms are given below. Write the correct term in the blank spaces. So let's let's fill the spaces, blank spaces. Take a pencil and start filling with me. The fruit of a tree native to the West Indies that tastes like a mixture of cloves, cinnamon and nutmeg. So cloves, cinnamon, nutmeg. What are these? These are the spices. So the answer will be all spice. Question number 2. The forest in the north of Asia and North America bordering on the Arctic Circle. So which forest is found there? The answer will be boreal forest. Boreal. Boreal forest. Trees with needle-like evergreen leaves that make seeds in cones, not in flowers. Okay, so the what kind of trees have needle shaped leaves, children? We already studied in geography, and if not, you'll be studying. Sorry, if not, then you'll be studying in chapter related to trees. Okay, vegetation and wildlife. So the what kind of trees are those? Those are conifer trees. CONIFER, conifer. Trees which shed their leaves once a year. वैसे कौन सी ट्रीज़ है जो साल में बस एक बार अपने लीव्स को शेड करती हैं? दोज ट्रीज आर डेसीडुअस. DECIDUOUS, deciduous. Plants, question number 5. Plants which grow on high trees in forest with roots absorbing moisture from the air. The answer is epiphytes. EPIPHYT. You know what? They do not grow in soil, or they do not have root kind of structure. They'll just automatically grow on any part, stem. Sorry, they'll just grow on stem of any tree. बीच में से. So those kind of plants are termed as epiphytes. Now question number 6. A group of flowerless plants, also called feather plants or pteridophytes, which produce spores instead of seeds. Okay, so they do not produce seeds. So what are these? These are fern. FERN, fern. The oldest living seed plant, also called the maidenhair tree. The answer will be ginkgo. GINGKO, ginkgo. One among various evergreen oak trees which grows in warmer places. So which tree is it? Holm oak. Now question number 9. An Indian plant which yields a blue dye. नील जिसको बोलते हैं, जो मम्मा जो है वो कपड़े में डालती हैं. अंडरस्टूड. सो वे from which plant do we get that dye, blue dye, children? The plant is indigo. INDIGO, indigo. Question number 10. A plant whose stem falls off so easily that it seems to jump on passerby. Okay, so what kind of plant is it? Jumping cola. JUMPING, jumping cola. CHOLLA, jumping cola. Question number 11. A type of cabbage a type of cabbage with loose open leaves. So the answer is Kalp. KALP. A symbiotic association of an algae and a fungus. So what is the answer? Lichen. LICHEN, lichen. Question number 13. A network of hyphae in fungi. Hyphae are thread-like projections found in fungi. So what is that network termed as? Mycelium. MYCELIUM, mycelium. Question number 14. A sweet liquid produced by many flowers. Juice. जो फ्लावर्स होते हैं, तो फ्लावर्स की जो जूस होती है, दैट जो बटरफ्लाई जो सक करते हैं. ओके, sweet juice, that is termed as nectar. NECTAR, nectar. Question number 16. sorry, 15, the world's toughest tree able to survive axes, fire, storms and insect attacks. So this is a particular tree which has got no effect of these things. So what is that particular tree? Ombu, O-M-B-U, Ombu. Question number 16, a group of plants with tall, thick trunk and bearing a few large leaves called fronds. So what is the answer? The answer is palm, P-A-L-M, palm. Question number 17, a desert tree which drops its branches to save water during drought. Oh, interesting, isn't it? They, to save themselves, what do? They just shed their branches, they drop their branches during drought time. So, why do they drop the branches? So that water is, stored in their trunk, okay, and it's limited to few part of the body. So, that particular tree is quiver tree, Q-U-I-V-E-R, quiver tree. Question number 18, a parasitic plant which produces the biggest flowers in the world. Parasitic plant is a kind of plant which does not prepare their own food and they depend on the host body. Okay, दूसरी plant पे dependent होते हैं for food. So that plant produces the biggest flower. And what is the name of the flower, children? The name of that flower is Rafflesia, R-A-F-F-L-E-S-I-A, Rafflesia. Now come to question number 19. Plants like fungi which depend on decomposing material for nutrition. ऐसे plants जो again they do not prepare their own food, neither they are green in color, nor they have green pigment called chlorophyll. Okay, जब green pigment होंगे नहीं तो will they be able to prepare food? No, they won't be able to prepare food. वो खाना अपना नहीं बनाएंगे and therefore they'll be dependent on decomposing material. जो सड़े गले चीज़ें, they obtain nutrients from that particular plant or thing. So that particular plant which depend on decomposing material for obtaining nutrition or is termed as saprophytes, S-A-P-R-O-P-H-Y-T-E-S, saprophytes. Now come to question number 20. The world's tallest flower, a native of Sumatra and an insectivore. So which plant is termed as insectivore? Insectivore are the plants that do not prepare their own food and they just trap the insect to obtain nutrients from them. For example, आपने insectivorous plant, अगर आप if you asked to name some insectivorous plant, so you would name two common names, that is Venus flytrap and pitcher plant. Okay. Now, so the answer of question number 20 is Titan arum. Titan arum, T-I-T-A and Titan arum. Question number 21. A slender elm tree with shiny green leaves in clusters or slender branches, patli branches जो होती है, that particular tree is Ulmus, U-L-M-U-S, Ulmus. Okay, come to question number 22, children. So question number 22 is the grasslands of South Africa. जो grasslands, what are grasslands? Plains, जहाँ पे ग्रास होते हैं ग्राउंड पे. ओके, तो दोज आर ग्रासलैंड्स. तो ग्रासलैंड साउथ अफ्रीका को क्या बोलते हैं? दोज आर टर्म्ड एज वेल्ड्स. इन ज्योग्राफी you will study about many more types of grasslands. Okay, so next question, children. The next question 23. Plant whose fossil is 300 million years old. So what are fossil? Fossil are the dead remains of plants and animals. Okay, so इस particular plant की जो fossil है, that remains for how much year old? That remains for 300 million years. Okay, so the answer is water Horsetails. Question number 24. Plants which have adapted themselves to live in a xeric habitat, that is desert. Plants that grow in desert, okay, so those plants are termed as xerophytes. They can live in the absence of water. They do not require so much of water. So the answer is xerophytes, Xerophytes, xerophytes. Question number 25. A tropical root similar to sweet potato, an important food of West Africa. So the answer is yam, Y-A-M. Sorry, Y-A-M, yam. Question number 26. A pretty shrub. What is shrub? Herb, shrub, tree. Okay, so classifications of plants. Okay, shrub is bigger than herb but smaller than tree. जैसे कि हमारा for example rose हो गया, marigold हो गए. तो these are what? These are the examples of shrub. A pretty shrub with white bell-shaped flowers which grow in June and July. The answer is Zenobia. 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 Okay. So I hope the chapter is clear to you. Write the answer.